Okay, this is going to be the notes for lesson 10-7 for the geometry regular. Areas of sectors. And so we're looking at a circle, and basically we are going to figure out the area of these basic slice of pies. These are called sectors. Slice of the pizza or slice of the pie. This portion here, which is called a segment, which is kind of like just a baseball cap portion of the circle. In regular class, we're actually not going to be worried about the segments, but we're going to focus on the sector. So, area of a circle, of course, is the space inside the circle. This is theorem 10-11. The area of a circle is, we've all seen this formula before, it is pi r squared. Okay, and that will give you a measurement in units squared, feet squared, inches squared. Basically, you were talking about little square spaces. That would give you the entire circle as if everything was shaded. But then you see section 10-4, excuse that, I mean 10-12. This is the main formula of the day, the area of the sector. So we want to figure out, well, what is the area of this portion right here, this sector? And so the formula is this. That sector will have a degree. So we are going to have the arc degree, spell that, divided by 360 degrees. So that is the entire circle. That will give you what portion of the circle is shaded, and we're going to multiply that by, we're talking about the inside area, so we're going to multiply it by pi r squared. The previous lesson, we were talking about going around the circle circumference, and you would use a different formula, but when you're talking about inside, you use pi r squared. That is the area of a circle. So this is the main formula for the day. Area of a sector. So we'll do number 1 here. We want to figure out the area of the sector of the circle. So basically, there's the shaded region. We want to figure out how much area is in that shaded region. The central angle is 100 degrees, so out here is 100 degrees. The basic formula for the area of the sector is going to be like the red box above. It is the arc degree. The bigger the degree, the bigger the slice of the pie, divided by 360. If the entire circle was shaded, it would be 360 over 360, which is 1, which is 100% of the circle. Don't worry about that. That's not going to happen. And then we're going to multiply it by, that first fraction gives you the percentage of the circle that is shaded, and we're going to multiply by pi r squared. Okay, the radius is 6 meters. So the degree here is 100 degrees over 360. We're going to multiply that by pi 6 squared. Getting my calculator, 100 divided by 360. This is 0.2777, which means 27% of this picture on the right is shaded. We're going to multiply it by 6 times 6 is 36 pi. 36 pi is the whole circle, but we only want 27.77% of it. So I'm going to use my calculator here. 27.777 times 36. This is 10 pi, and this is in meters squared. This is the area of the sector in terms of pi, meaning leave the pi symbol there. But I personally don't like that particular answer. I would rather have it like this. I'm going to take the 10 and I'm going to multiply it by the pi, which of course is 3.14, and this is 31.4 square meters. And I like this answer better because that means there are 31 of little square meters inside here that would fit inside here, 31.4 of these little square boxes. Okay, so this is the notes for section 10-7.